Hi friends, welcome to #TechieMit. So in continuation of multi-threading related series, today I'm going to give you a new video on countdown latch in Java. So what is basically a countdown latch in Java? So what is its importance? So let's see for it and we'll see one by one. So before starting the video, please do keep liking, subscribing and commenting to #TechieMit, and so we'll deep into the video now. So as per the definition, it's a synchronization aid that allows one or more threads to wait until a set of operations is being performed in the other thread completes. It's basically uh, like you have to hold the latch. One thread will hold the latch and it will wait until all the threads set of operations is being performed. So it's like it's done in a synchronized manner. So it's again a part of synchronization, and it waits until all the set of operations are done by the other thread. So, and in the synchronized manner, that is one after the another. So one thread will wait for the other thread all the operations to be done, and post that it will allow the other thread to execute, and after that the next thread, and so on and so on. So it would be a bunch of thread or multiple threads. So one by one threads, they will wait for the set of operations to be complete, and for the wait process, they will hold countdown latch. So countdown latch is initialized with a given count. Await methods block until the current count reaches 0 due to invocation from the countdown method, after which all the waiting threads are released and any subsequent equation the await return immediately. So the point to be noted is that await methods block until the current count reaches 0. So until how long that thread will wait? So it will wait until the current thread is 0. So like it will go like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 0, 1, so and so. So the count will go on decreasing, and after that it will release the lock, and it will allow the threads to which are waiting for subsequent invocation of the await method. So await method is important method, and countdown method is important. So these two are the more major important methods that are used in the countdown latch. So await basically is used to wait for allow the thread to wait until it's a count of the invocation return to 0. So it will just hold on the thread to it. And after that, countdown means after all the waiting threads are released, any 6, it will return all to the await method. So that is about the theory part. Now let's move towards the practical part. We'll see a actual program and we'll see how it's work. Let's go for it. So what we'll do, we'll create, we need basically two classes. One would be the worker class, in which we will implement the runnable interface, and we'll show method in which to display the countdown latch demo. And after that, in the main class, will invoke the will invoke the class that is there, means that holds the logic, the countdown latch. So let's go for it. Class worker implements runnable that's that, and we'll create an instance of countdown latch. Public worker latch countdown latch this dot. So This is the main method front. So this will give the call to CountDownLatchDemo. Just maximize it so it will be like better for the demo purpose. And we'll create a method. We create the scope as public instead of private. So it will be accessed from outside also the class. So yeah, now in the CountDownLatchDemo, what we'll do, we'll create a demo which we will, as I tell, it will go on decrementing the count, and we'll iterate it through the loop. So get a for loop. Then plus. Instead of the thread, the current countdown, we'll take this the current get count. So we'll get the count of it. We'll use the time unit. Yeah, so it will sleep for 2 seconds, and we'll add the throws the interrupted exceptions. Throws interrupted exception. So we'll surround the try catch with the interrupted exception. So these messed up will basically throw the interrupted exception. Handle it. Yeah. So this is the code for the worker class. After that, the holder logic of the main class. CountDownLatch demo. Publics static void main. We'll give the number of let's as 5. We do the CountDownLatch. Into 10. We will hold for the this is the, as you see, the older constructor. Count would be 50. So it will hold the latch for like 50 objects. Number of threads 5. Now we will enter it through it. of the worker instance. Yeah. So the demo.join. It will throws interrupted exception. We print the system statement in which yeah, CountDownLatch demo finished. All threads executed. So all this code logic is ready. Uh, so we have in the worker class, we have implemented the runnable interface. We have created an overload constructor of the worker class and passed the work CountDownLatch to it. We have just overloaded the run, and in run we have kept a method, and we'll see what output prints by running the program. So we'll just run it, run as Java application. See, it's printing that on starting with 50, 49, 45, 46, 20, 21, 21. So it's count we have, because it's printing from 50 because we have kept it as 50, 5 into number of threads into 10, so 5 into 10 into plus 50, and after that all the threads they are executed, and finally all the countdown threads go to 0. So what if I kept it as 2 threads? So we'll start from 20 again, and see finally it has it started from 50, it go not decrementing on 14 and 45 all the threads, and we invoke basically 5 threads, and after that the countdown has ultimately reduced to 0, and only after that it printed this countdown last demo finish and all threads are executed. Main thread, I'll print this also, and again now we have taken 2 threads. I'll again recompile the program. It's going 18, 19, 16, 14, 12, 10. It's go on decrementing to until it reaches 0. It will go on decrementing. 9, 6, 4, 2, 0, 1, 0. See, all it finished, and it printed that the countdown finish all the threads, and it executed in the main thread. I kept it as let's keep it at 3, and I will again recompile and change the program. 30, 29, 27, 28. So it began from 29. Say it will go on reducing until all the threads count becomes 0. Yeah. See, after that, when all the threads count in 0, only in after that it will print the line that countdown demo finish all the threads executed in the main thread. So this video was all about CountDownLatch. We saw basically what do you mean by CountDownLatch, some theory related to it, and we saw a detailed program in which we saw the demo of how the CountDownLatch works. So how it goes on decrementing and the purpose for it, because in Java it will concurrent package when you need synchronized thread, but one thread must hold and until the other thread is executing, and it will hold on the basis of a latch. So there will be a countdown. Okay, there will be a countdown and like 10, 9, 8, 4, and suppose it reaches 0. Only after that it will invoke the first. It will invoke the await method. After that it will invoke the other method. So this video was all about countdown latching the demo in Java. So do keep liking, subscribing to #TechieMit. More to come on Java related topics and multi-threading related topics. So bye for now.